How to get started with Facebook ads on less than $5 a day. If you think you need to set aside hundreds or thousands of dollars to advertise on Facebook, you're mistaken. In this presentation, you're going to learn how to get started with Facebook ads with a $5 a day budget. Even if you have the money to spend on ads, you should still start small. This is to help you minimize the very real risk of losing all your money while you look for the best demographic segment to market to. For example, on the first day, you spend $5 to show your video ad to a cold audience comprised of 30 to 34-year-old females based in Phoenix, Arizona. You could narrow it down further. The next day, you spend your $5 on 25 to 29-year-old females based in the same city. By the end of the second day, you should be able to see which demographic is responding to your ad set. You can do more tests at $5 per day until you find the best and most responsive audience. Alternatively, if you're working off a custom audience from people who have visited your website, then you can try showing them different types of ads for only $5 per day. When you find the winning ad set, that is, the most popular ad that gets you the cheapest cost per action, then you can create a lookalike audience and then show the same ad to them. At $5 per day, this will translate to $150 over the course of 30 days. It's not a lot of money, but if you test everything, you will find the winning ad set soon enough. The point is, you don't have to go broke just to find what will work best for your business. If you try to advertise on other platforms, $5 is not going to get you very far. But with Facebook ads, there are plenty of case studies on the internet of people who have struck gold and seen returns anywhere from a few 100% ROI to several 1,000% ROI. When you see profit coming in from your Facebook ads, you can reinvest it to show your ads to more people. In a short period, you can go from $5 per day to $100 per day and further increase your chances of pocketing even more profit for your business.